Sawyer living a Hollow Funk. And today we're going to be making my daddy's favorite snack. He doesn't even know. This is because it's Father's Day. And today we're going to be making some brown buttered mushrooms. Let's begin. So first you have to put your oven on high heat and put your pan on it. Put some butter on, and also we have some bits of bacon and sage. Our bacon was smoked this morning with our pit paws. We're going to put our pan on and brown our butter. No. I wonder if I'm going to drop it though. I'm so scared, but it's Father's Day. I have to do it by myself. Because I want to be so special to my daddy at Father's Day. Don't you guys? Leave the comments down below if you guys do. Today I got Mommy helping me with the camera. Never work in the kitchen alone. Always be supervised by an adult. And my mommy right there. She's camera girl. When my brother's nicely brown, we're getting my mushrooms. Now add your mushrooms. I call the brown ones a shoe, and I call the other ones stacks. And put them all on the mushroom packs. Now a generous amount of cold salt and cold pepper. Let's put it down. Some stuff. Now I'm going to sprinkle a little bit of garlic powder on each mushroom. I turned the heat down to me, and now I'm just going to let them cook. Oh yeah! I'm going to stir these along the way when we took the bottoms off. Now add all the bacon. Bacon, my dad loves bacon, so I'm putting on bacon. This is my own recipe. My dad doesn't even know I'm making this because he's still asleep. And it's Father's Day, yay! Now add the sage. Keep stirring, just keep stirring, la la la, la la la. Oh yeah, la la la. Ooh. This is why kids have to learn to cook. For they can live, survive, and be healthy. This isn't the comment, but my daddy likes cream in his brown mushrooms, whatever. My dad likes the brown mushrooms on pasta, so I'm going to put this on a plate and put them on. Woo! Ow. Love this. There we go. This is for my dad. This is for my dad. That was hard work.